How to use voice input in Perplexity AI. Want to search with your voice instead of typing? Here's how to use voice input in Perplexity AI. It's fast and easy, and let's see how to do it. When you're on the home page or search bar, look for the small microphone icon. Click it and your browser may prompt you to allow microphone access. Once granted, you can simply speak your question aloud. Your voice input will automatically be transcribed into the search field, and Perplexity will begin fetching your answer in real time. What's the first question you'd ask with voice search? Drop it in the comments below. Speak clearly and avoid background noise for better accuracy. You can also edit the transcribed text before submitting if needed. And that's how you can use voice input in Perplexity AI. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.